Hey everybody, this is Jim Buck with Black Series Campers out of Southern California in the city of industry again. Here to let you know that we're going to be on the road one more time. This time we're going to be local though. We're going to be attending the largest RV show here on the West Coast. We're going to be at the California RV show at the Auto Club Speedway in Fontana, California. We're going to be out there in spot number 5000, 5000, and we're going to have our full line. We're going to have our Sergeant, we're going to have our Alpha, we're going to have our Dominator and our Patron, our Classic Double. We're going to have our Classic 12, we're going to have our HQ 12, we're going to have our HQ 15, our HQ 17, our HQ 19, our HQ 19T. So we're going to have everything out there. So come on out there. You can buy tickets online for about 13 bucks. You can buy tickets at the gate for 15 bucks. But the great news is out there at the Auto Club Speedway, parking is free. $0 free. So that way you're saving some money when you come out. So come on out, have a great time, see some great units, park for free, and get some sun on you, maybe get a little tan, have some great California time. So come on out, see us, see me, see all of our units. Again, this is Jim Buck, Black Series Campers out of Southern California, saying we'll see you out there, everybody. Take care, have a great day.